The focus of IMI 3.0 will be mainly on dash who missed their vaccine doses during the COVID-19 pandemic. The focus will be mainly on children and pregnant women. IMI means intensified mission Indradhanush. The main aim of IMI is to get vaccinated, to get children below the age of 2 years and pregnant women to get vaccinated, and the diseases under this Indradhanush scheme, there are 12 diseases, and the vaccine preventable diseases are to be given to all the pregnant women and the children below 2 years is the main goal. Next question. Who has inaugurated 8th India International Silk Fair? Smriti Irani has inaugurated 8th India International Silk Fair on 31st January 2021 on a virtual portal. This is considered to be India's largest fair, and India is the only country which produces 4 types of silks, that is mulberry, eri, tussar and muga. Which state government has launched Har Ghar Pani Har Ghar Safai mission? Punjab state government has launched this scheme, Har Ghar Pani Har Ghar Safai mission. The CM of Punjab, Captain Amarinder Singh, has launched this scheme. The goal of this scheme is 100% portable piped water supply in all rural households. It is funded, this scheme is funded by World Bank, Jal Jeevan Mission of Government of India, NABARD and state government, that is state budget. World Cancer Day is celebrated on which day? World Cancer Day is celebrated on February 4th. This has been started by UICC, that is Union for International Cancer Control. It was started in the year 2000. The theme of World Cancer Day 2019-20 is 19 to 21 is I am and I will. Headquarters of UICC is in Geneva, Switzerland. First human milk bank of Kerala is to be opened in which district? The first human milk bank of Kerala is to be opened in Ernakulam district by the Health Minister K.K. Shailaja. Rotary Club of Cochin. Approx 3,600 babies are born in general hospitals every year. And in these 3,600 people, every 1,000 people are, out of every 1,000 people, 600 people are getting infected and they are becoming ill with due to the lack of breast milk. Therefore, this bank has been inaugurated by the government. The famous Mandu festival has started on February 13th. This festival is famous in which state? This festival is famous in Madhya Pradesh state. This is a 3-day festival. Mandu is a town in Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh. This is organized by the state government, and in order to show their culture, heritage, history, and also paintings, music, art, everything. And Tourism and Culture Minister Usha Thakur has inaugurated the newly constructed dinosaur park, which is also called as a fossil park, on this occasion. This is said to be the first modern fossil park in India. Snakepedia is the app launched by which state of India? Snakepedia is the app launched by Kerala state of India. This app consists of images of snake and details of the snake, that is if the snake bites, like what we have to do, what is the first aid, and we don't know if the snake is venomous or non-venomous. So all the details are given in this app so that it will be easy for the people and doctors and also for the snakes. We often kill snakes when we see that in the danger that they might kill us. So therefore this app is very useful, and this was made by doctors and photographers. Recently, Maya, a robo, has been programmed to serve in banks, was developed in which state? It was developed in Karnataka state. Engineering students of Hubbali have launched this robo Maya, which was programmed according to all the bank details, and this is helpful for the people in banks, the customers in the banks. Using our artificial intelligence, it recognizes our face, and we can chat with the robo using chatbot. World's first energy island is to be built by Denmark, and in North Sea it will produce and store green energy to meet electricity needs of 3 million households around European countries. Federal Bank launches Fed First Savings Scheme account for. It has launched Fed First Savings Account Scheme for children below 18 years of age. It has put the daily withdrawal limit of 2500 rupees. Its main goal is save, spend and earn. Fed First Bank headquarters is in Alua, Kerala. The CEO of this bank is Shyam Srinivasan. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video, and also hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.